Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how I make these velvet hair bows. Velvet fabric is a little tricky to work with, so you can also work with regular cotton or linen, and this is how they will look like. And I have two ways, one with the clip and one with the nylon headband. Alright, before I begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you don't want to make them yourself and you want to support my little handmade store, you could go ahead and go to www.zhannastar.com and I have them available for purchase. Okay, so here are the things that you will need in order to make these hair bows. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the tutorial and I hope it was easy for you to understand. If not, please comment below and I'll try to answer all of your questions. These are also available for purchase on my website, www.zhannastar.com, and I have more colors available, and I am leaving on my maternity leave soon, so go grab one before I close down the store for a little bit. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I have more Cricut and hair bow tutorials coming right up. All right, bye.